first round of daily driver is coming up, y'all. Go ahead and get him one of these mops. Look out, look out. Who want it? Somebody need to go ahead and put this mop to work.
Man, she was trying to tell me. I need to get her nails.
Look out racing, baby, right here.
Hey, you know what that is? Nah, I told her I had it. Coming up though. Oh, okay. That looks like she fucked up and told me I need one of them long motherfuckers. I told her I need one of them.
You got a problem right here.
And get a pickle.
You got a problem. Yeah.
I can't fuck with that motherfucker. I swallow all your shit.
Mop with it. Mop with it.
Do it on 1 foot, quick. They said do it on 1 foot.
Oh, you trying to put it on here? Oh, you worked on it all right there, baby.
And this motherfucker still trying to push the There you go there, buddy. You work for the real people. There you go. There you go. Hey, put a little bit more on the other side, cuz. Hey, where McDonald's at? Say, Kim folks, you doing a damn good job, man. They gonna hire your ass. Shit, let me record this motherfucker. Let me walk over there to him. The track man is really getting after it, folks. You really can't really tell what the hell's he really doing. What is your name, sir?
Johnny Walker.
Johnny Walker is really getting down on it. Bet he is getting paid by food stamps and WIC card. There you go, Johnny Walker.
Do I walk that too? Or leave it there?
Oh, okay then. Johnny Walker, do you have any money on this race?
Oh yeah, I'm with the truck.
Oh, you with the truck?
Who he racing?
He racing Blackfoot.
Yeah, I'm with him anyway. I don't care.
Oh, okay.
I'm right here. How much? Hey, this side, anybody? What's that? I'm taking the truck out.
You the cameraman now?
Yeah, I'm working for Johnny Walker. Johnny Walker is real.
Look out racing, man.
I mean, look out racing. Yeah, man.
That's good.
Yeah, that's good, School.
Okay,
Yeah, I got him on full camera. You know what I'm saying? He's doing a real good job, man.
Y'all check me out, man. I'm trying to do a good
Yeah,
job. You know what I'm
that,
talking about, man?
do a little dance for us, cuz.
Hey, look out, be at the track and he work at the track.
How you doing?
Oh, go.
Oh yeah, hold up. Mop with it.
Mop with it.
Gotta come through with the top in it.
There you go, Johnny Walker. Johnny Walker full of shit. Kim Vogt, what it do?
Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. You got it right there.
Oh, you're
Mop with it.
mop with it. There you go.
I'm putting up the track with a half. Nah.
There you go. There you go, Kim Vogt.
You're good. Okay. Because I want this side to win anyway.
We're gonna put him over here. Hey, we're gonna put him over here.
Okay, yeah. He can hook.
Oh, shit.
Yeah,
He's a goddamn redneck. Telling him.
I'll tell you right now, this truck is gonna hook and win. I'll tell you that right goddamn now. If you ever seen this truck, he's won the brilliant shootouts. This is gonna be one of the #1 contenders. I guarantee you that right now.
Well, he said get your
We're
ass up
betting money.
with the money.
We're betting money right here on this Turbo S10.
How much is y'all betting, buddy?
I'm betting 20 and up, dude. 20 and up. We're not playing no games here, dude. We're here at Yello Belly, and we're live, man. We're here at Yello Belly, and I'm betting with this truck. I will put up to 100. I just got my stimulus check, dude. I will use that motherfucker. You hear me?
You wouldn't use your
my
stimulus.
stimulus check, guy. To go ahead, I'm betting right here with this S10, man.
What about if he red light?
He don't never red light.
Oh, well, I don't know, sir. It's going to be a hard...
right now, buddy.
Well,
truck is
you
gonna
better
be
put
one
that
of the
damn
finals.
tobacco in your damn mouth, Bubba, because it's going to be a long night.
Mop with it.
Hey.
What's up?
We sure do appreciate you came out tonight, man. You did a lot of things for us.
I highly appreciate you, mister. You've done a wonderful job. That's why they call you Employee of the Month, man.
Oh my God, not Employee of the Month.
Employee of the Month, no
Mickey
matter
said-
what month it is. Oh, shit.
Man, why you let Touche go?
Man, Touche be acting a fool on there, man. That's Employee of the Everybody, man, I'm thirsty again, man. I need another drink. Man. Somebody give me a... Nah, I don't want that. Let me see if I got some lemonade left before they start, man. Hey, y'all, we got the first round of the shootout. Hey, man. Huh? Yeah. We got that Turbo S10 truck versus,
That was old school from last time.
yeah, so that's how you do it, Ken Folk. He said, how you doing, Ken Folk? I said, just like how you doing it. Just like how you doing it. You doing it. Hey, man, we got Terry Hogg. Long recovery part 2 show. What's up with it, man? We got Terry Hogg in the building. You know what I'm saying? First round of the shootout. Badass Cobra, man. Badass paint job. They been wiping on it all day. Ooh, it's clean, too. It's clean, too. Look at it from right here. Gotta hit a picture like that one time. Got his wastegate sitting in the front. Ooh-wee. Yo, man, brand new headlights. Look like it ain't never been in an accident. What's up with it? Got my boy in the building, Greg.
Y'all doing good?
Having a good time. Yeah, man, we doing good. We ain't doing nothing but having a good time. Enjoy life, smile every day. We ain't got no worry about what no how to say. Do you hear me?
Hell yeah.
Already. We just be looking and laughing, having a great time. Got my boy in the building, man. I'm betting my whole stimulus with this truck right here, man. I got half of it left. I'm ready to use it. I'm ready to use it, man. Ain't nothing like this truck. I like this truck, man. God damn. Ooh-wee. Y'all check him out one time for the one time. With the fog, with the park lights on. Yeah. It's going down. Get a one time for the one time. Ooh-wee.